next school to talk about their pitch, The Spark. Let us welcome on stage LaSalle College Antipolo.
We are from LaSalle College Antipolo. Our first topic is about artificial intelligence. We chose this topic because lately, a lot of students has been using AI and solemnly depending on AI. And I think that kailangan nating tignan ng pansin yung AI since madami na ng students ang nagde-depend dito.
Napakagandang experience to, lalo sa ating mga kabataan na nakakapagkilala tayo ng iba't ibang estudyante at sa iba't ibang lugar. At nakakatuwa na nakaka-explore tayo ng iba pang bagay bilang kabataan.
Before I say what I actually want, I want to share one line po from a famous song na we use a lot in LaSalle. So there's this line that goes, "Let me be the change I want to see." So I want to say to every youth and to all our co-hackers na just the change starts in you and ikaw yung magpapabago sa mundo, so believe in yourself. Yun lang po.
LaSalle College Antipolo hackers, are you ready? You may begin.
Good morning, everyone. We are the hackers from LaSalle College Antipolo, and before we start, we want to reiterate that we actually changed topics, focusing on the indigenous people because we were so inspired by Lolo Toto. So, the spark, strengthening the minds and culture of indigenous groups through education. I want to ask you guys, have you ever experienced roadblocks when driving?
Frustrating, isn't it? Well, we experience setbacks that may seem unfair. But just imagine how much harder it is for those people who faces real lifelong roadblocks.
I know, right, guys? Especially the indigenous people who face major roadblocks with issues about their history, identity, and most importantly, issues about their rights. Before we actually start, I want every person in this room to imagine. Imagine na you are in a car. Imagine you are in a car with these indigenous people and we are going to drive, and this car is a car for change. It's a car going to the destination for a better future. Pero we faced roadblocks. Here are the 5 most common roadblocks faced by indigenous people: cultural erosion, environmental degradation, lack of access to health and social services, and the 2 most controversial issues, land rights and ancestral domain issues, and the lack of access to education, resulting to poor literacy rate. Pero how does this connect to our problem? Our problem is poor education resulting to inequality. The IPRA law was established in 1997 to protect the rights of indigenous people, but they still face discrimination. These inequalities and violations of their rights deprive them of a comfortable lifestyle. These indigenous people, specifically the youth, like us, have a hard time interpreting words and problem-based sentences based on the research of Gutierrez and Candelario Aplaon on 2020, making it hard for them to interpret the law regarding their rights. This results in them being taken advantage of for their poor literacy rate, and with very few numbers understanding the law, there is a small percent that they can fight for their rights. Here is some evidence that we will not be reiterating for the sake of time. I want to share to you guys a line from a famous song we sing in LaSalle. It's called "Let Me Be the Change." And in that song, there's this lyric, "Even if I'm not the light, I can be the spark." And that line tells us that even though us, the youth, do not have greater authority than those higher ups in our society, we can still be the spark for change. And yun nga, because our cars stop because of these roadblocks, what we do as the youth is we're gonna spark. We're going to jumpstart this car so that we can head to a better future for these people. Our target indigenous community is the Dumagat Remontado tribe in 3 areas: Cuyambay, Tanay Rizal, Antipolo Rizal, and the eastern part of Sierra Madre Mountain Range. Our problem is the lack of access to education. So what do? Simple lang, we bring education to them. We go out of our way and we make an effort to bring education to them. So the Spark, we want to bring education to the areas that are not accessible and strengthen their knowledge about their rights. And how do we do this? We ride. So guys, all of the car terms, we're gonna ride a pathway to change. So R, we're going to reach out, we're going to conduct orientations with communities and partners. We're going to conduct what we want to do and how it can help these indigenous people. We then immerse, we're gonna establish relationships with IP communities to learn about their lifestyle. We're gonna live with them so that we can experience what they really experience. And then we're going to design. Based on our immersion findings, we're going to create a custom-made knowledge session plan for them that educates them specifically about their rights, about indigenous people. Lastly, we're gonna conduct weekly knowledge sessions with the IP communities implemented by technical experts in the field, coordinated with NGOs, volunteers, and other organizations. So with that, we want to present Norman King as our inspiration. Norman King is the clear depiction of the idea that education is the most powerful tool for creating a better future. So with that, we want to leave you with the quote, even if we are not the light, us the spark, us the youth can be spark and bridge towards creating a better future for indigenous people.
Thank you, LaSalle College Antipolo.